George Stinney, at the age of 14, holds a tragic place in American history as the youngest person to be executed in the United States during the 20th century. In 1944, Stinney was wrongly convicted of the murders of 2 white girls in Alcolu, South Carolina. Key points about George Stinney. Arrest and trial. In March 1944, George Stinney was arrested for the murders of Betty June Binnicker, 11, and Mary Emma Thames, 7. The trial lasted only a few hours, and Stinney's court-appointed defense counsel did little to represent him. The entire proceedings were marked by racial bias and a lack of due process. Execution. Stinney was convicted based on a coerced confession, and there was no physical evidence linking him to the crime. He was sentenced to death, and just 83 days after the murders and without any appeals, George Stinney was executed in the electric chair on June 16, 1944. Injustice and lack of evidence. The case against Stinney was deeply flawed, with no direct evidence tying him to the crime. Stinney's confession was obtained under questionable circumstances, and he later recanted, claiming he was coerced and didn't understand the implications. Posthumous exoneration. Decades later, there were efforts to revisit the case and bring attention to the injustice. In 2014, Stinney was posthumously exonerated by a South Carolina judge who ruled that his constitutional rights had been violated. Legacy and reflection. George Stinney's case became a symbol of racial injustice and a stark reminder of the systemic problems in the American legal system, particularly during the Jim Crow era. His wrongful conviction and execution have fueled discussions about the need for criminal justice reform and the protection of the rights of young defendants. The case of George Stinney remains a tragic episode in the history of racial injustice, highlighting the importance of fair trials, due process, and the prevention of wrongful convictions, especially involving juveniles.